Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be starting a brand new series walking through step by step the basics of N8N, AI automations, and so much more. But before we jump right into it, as an introduction, I'm a co-founder of an AI startup called Property Prep. It's a real estate marketplace platform which is rewriting the way home service businesses and real estate agents interact. And I've been developing AI solutions not only for personal use, but also in production as well. So I'll be walking through step by step, not only how to build robust AI agents, but how to understand the planning that goes into building successful AI agents. I'll be walking through how to connect all the nodes, but more importantly, how to actually think about building AI agents and the structures and frameworks that goes into it. We'll walk through multiple different frameworks and ways that you can attack different situations for building the most robust agents and personalized agents for you and your use cases. I'll be starting on the ground level, building very simple workflows explaining what triggers are, nodes are, and how an overall workflow architecture comes into play. We'll be starting off with simple workflows like you see here, but all with real-world business use cases, and we'll be following a home service business to be able to have a real-world application and show real examples on how to get this done. So we'll start at the baseline basics level of N8N, and we'll go into more complex use cases, and even end up in actual real-world implementations of some Pydantic framework AI agents if you guys want. And if you want direct access to me or any of the tools I'll be showing in this course throughout the entirety of it, join the community, which will be linked below. Shoot me a DM while you're in there, and I hope you get some value out of it. Throughout this series, I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to be proficient in AI. We'll start from the ground up, mastering the basics of automation in AI. You'll discover exactly what automation and AI agents are and how to build them efficiently using the powerful no-code tool N8N. We'll set you up with your own N8N environment and dive into practical workflows and immediately begin building your very first automation. But that's just the beginning. We then turbocharge your skills by diving into advanced strategies, leveraging cutting-edge AI models like ChatGPT and Claude to 10x your capabilities whenever you're building AI agents and workflows. You'll understand the crucial decisions between cloud versus self-hosting and ensuring your automations are perfectly aligned with your specific needs. But it doesn't stop there. Together, we'll unlock powerful frameworks and insights straight from the experts at Anthropic. You'll master techniques to construct robust AI agents capable of querying databases, generating compelling marketing content, and autonomously sending emails to your team and customers. You'll also get the key principles of N8N implementations, building blocks for successful N8N AI workflows, how to correctly use LLM nodes, and best practices to integrate N8N tools within your AI agents. We'll also go step by step in reviewing the frameworks given to us by Anthropic to build successful AI agents within N8N using their concrete, battle-tested frameworks, and not only how to implement, but when to implement different AI agents and know which use case is best for you. In this course, there will be 2 case studies. First, in the beginner section, you will successfully build your first workflow, and it will look something like this, learning how to implement webhooks as a trigger, using if statements and if nodes to be able to route the data that you're getting and receiving into the correct databases and uploading correctly into databases, sending an email based on that data, and notifying teams via Slack. So with this first case study, you will understand how to successfully connect nodes, use nodes, and path nodes to be a successful workflow engineer. And in the final case study, you will make your very own AI agent and 10x that first workflow that you made into being a real robust AI agent that runs autonomously 24/7 for you. And in this, you'll understand how to create triggers based on a database, use HTTP requests and API endpoints, and correctly query the web to send and receive data. And you'll also understand how to use a code node within N8N without writing a single line of code and still getting the desired outputs for your workflows. You will upload back to databases and send emails to your customers and to your teams correctly. You'll also learn how to use a AI tools agent, leveraging any LLM model that is currently up to date and in production. You'll be able to write to and query databases to have your AI agent structure your own content for you to use later. You'll also be able to send out that data that your AI agent has written to customers and learn how to use sub workflows that your AI's tools agent can use. This will make your N8N workflows truly robust and 10x the capabilities of your workflows. You'll be able to filter databases and get the correct records that you will need to make your workflow successful and route them correctly to match them up with other database records and notify accordingly. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to build reliable AI agents. You'll learn AI chains connecting multiple AI components for complex reasoning, using AI tools to leverage specialized components for specific tasks, using AI memory such as databases, and having AI interact with those databases. You'll also learn directly how to debug your workflows and become fully self-sufficient in creating workflows and AI automations. You'll also master the essentials of N8N automation, clearly distinguishing when to use cloud versus local hosting for your specific situation. Become confident in building diverse workflow structures and seamlessly integrating various nodes to automate tasks. You'll have built and deployed your very first powerful AI agent workflow that operates 24/7 to streamline your business operations or put time back into your pocket. And you'll leverage advanced AI strategies, turning complex tasks into effortless automations. If you're serious about not just observing, but actively benefiting from the AI revolution, then this is your moment. Every day you wait is just another day behind the curve, and let's make sure you don't just witness the future, you create it.